Hi guys, this is Dibby Joe. I'm outside my bedroom window and all I'm seeing is fireworks. I'm sorry my camera's not that good, but you can just about see them. In the background there, see, bang. There we go. Did you see that? If not, off goes the light again. You can probably hear them now. You've got the whistlers. You can just about see them. What an explosion. This is what you call carnage. This is amazing what I'm seeing. All the colours. Seen like 100 fireworks now. One after the other. Bang, 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 bang. This YouTube video is going to be quite long, but I'm not stopping until the fireworks stop. Or until my memory's full. Whatever comes first. Whoa! It's like they've unleashed hell on them now. Setting off so many, it's unbelievable. This is amazing, guys. I'm looking out my bedroom window and I can't see much because I'm on the bit of my house that goes inwards. My house, I've got built sticks up. If I go in my brother's room, I see it all. Wow! Silence. It stopped. No fireworks going off. Just waiting a few minutes. They may be relighting some. Hi. So that was my firework display. I think it's stopped now. Not too sure. Yep, they've stopped. If they start, I'll make a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.